Wow! 1, 2, 3, go! Go fly! Uh-oh. 3 dogs chasing Hope. Come on, Hopey! Come on! Yeah, who are you? So number 1, those dogs were not allowed to be off leash. There were basically almost over 6 dogs or 7 dogs that were running around off leash. And dog owners, they are so inconsiderate. No, you don't getting my bird. Yeah, can you call your dog back?
Please, come on.
Thank you. My bird is kind of spooked.
Come on. You just know.
Uh-huh. How can you not call back your dog when there's a bird? Even after I say, can you call back your dog? My bird is spooked. Like, his dog came back to a second time and he didn't call him back. His name is Hope. Hope. Yeah, he's still a baby.
Is he?
Yeah. He's 16 months old.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks you too. Handsome little boy.
Does he like all the little dogs chasing around?
There he goes. Oh! You wanna come down? You wanna come down, baby? Bobby! And he's getting more confident. Come on, boy. Good boy. Uh-huh. Yeah, he looks nice if he's in the air. I didn't fly him yesterday, so it was kind of... Oh, no, he's... Good boy. Good boy, Hoppy. Ah, did you check out the drone? Okay, go play. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ready?
Hoppy, come. Oh! Whoa! One dog attacked Hope, like to the point where I really got chills. And the freaking owner didn't even say anything. Gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, it's too dangerous here. Let's go somewhere else.
And she's not even aggressive. That was just like...
Excuse himself, saying his dog was really friendly. Here, listen to him.
And she's not even aggressive. She's not even aggressive. She's not even aggressive. That was just like, oh, it's a flying...
No, it's a wild instinct in them.
Hey.
Dogs are following us.
You guys going?
Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go somewhere else. Are you kidding me? Your dog isn't friendly. Your dog, you nearly killed my bird. Seriously, like, dog owners, please, if you see a free-flying bird, put your dog on a leash. Because that's the right thing to do. This is a new park. Yep. Gonna fly here. We end up leaving that location because it was too dangerous to fly Hope with so many dogs in the park. Are you ready? 2, 3, go! Oh! Oh! Nice, Hoppy! Good boy! Oh! Come on! Good boy! No, go fly! Go fly! One, two, three, go. Come on, baby. Go. Oh, the white parrots. Look. Look, they're there. Poppy, look. The white parrots. It's the wild parrots. Hello. You saw them? Yeah, the wild parrots. One, two, three, go. Three, and go. Butterfly. You wanna go fly? 1, 2, 3.